This will be an exclusive video, guys. I will show you how I'm changing my crypto strategy, and also, if you will watch this video till the end, you will see my crypto portfolio today. In one of my videos about crypto, I was telling you that it's okay to have 1 to 3% of your entire investment portfolio in cryptocurrency, especially if you're just a beginner in crypto. I'm still agree with that opinion. But also in one of my videos, which I made in the beginning of March 2021, I was telling you that my personal crypto portfolio is about 10% of my entire investments. And if you didn't know, I'm investing in stocks and in some real estate also. And this channel is my online diary. Welcome, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'm trying to make the best quality content for you here. Now I decided to change my crypto strategy, and let me share with you why I made this decision. I just want to remind you that this information is my personal thoughts only, and I'm not giving you any advices and any recommendations here. Investing in a cryptocurrency is very risky, and living on the planet Earth is very risky too. As this channel is my video diary about everything I do in investing, first let me tell you a couple of things that might help you to build your own strategies in future. I never risk too much in investing. I never put all my money in one asset. My investment portfolio is well diversified. If you want, you can check this video which I made about diversification in stocks. Also, I have some real estate and planning to invest more in real estate in future. And also I have my stable job and stable income, and I'm tracking my budget all the time. And that's why I can afford myself to invest my money wherever I want. I'm not living on money from trading. And that's why actually my channel's name is Millionaire in 7 years. It's my personal challenge and goal to get at least $1 million in 7 years using different investing strategies: stock market, real estate, and cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is my favorite investing strategy during this period of time. Not only because it's the best technologies, speed, progress, and huge gains. Just look at this Bitcoin compared to S&P 500. I just love crypto because I'm seeing such people as Michael Saylor telling us these words.
There is no property invented in the history of mankind that is better than Bitcoin. Not land, not gold, not silver, not stocks, not bonds, not the giant stone coin of the Yap people, not NFTs, not art, not baseball cards, nothing.
I used to have only 10% in crypto of my entire investment portfolio, and now I decided to increase this number to 30%. I know it could be risky, it's not for everyone. I'm just sharing with you my decisions, and let's see what happens. So speaking about entire portfolio, it means if I have my investment portfolio, which is about 300,000 now, and I would increase my crypto part to 30%, my investment in cryptocurrency will be about $90,000. Well, it's not a super giant number, of course, but also I will not do it in one day. Actually, I could buy just 1.5 Bitcoin now. But guys, I love diversification even in cryptocurrency, so let's see what I'm choosing. Let's see my crypto portfolio. I'll show you my absolutely new Coinbase account. I think it's the best platform to buy any cryptocurrency ever. By the way, if you still don't have a Coinbase account, you can use my link below. The registration is quite easy there. And if you will go there through this link and deposit to your account just $100, you will get $10 of Bitcoin for free. So don't miss your chance to get a free Bitcoin, guys. And here is my Coinbase account. It's absolutely fresh and new. I made it specially for this channel and for this investing challenge. I already have some money here and already bought some crypto. Just to begin with, I'm going to show you all the updates about this portfolio on this channel, because we must grow this small portfolio to 90,000. Do you remember? Or even much more. And of course, we have invite a friend to Coinbase and you'll both receive $10 of free Bitcoin. Isn't it great? Also, I love this platform because you can earn money here. It's so easy. You just have to watch small videos and earn your crypto. So here is my watch list. I have Bitcoin here, Cardano, Compound, and a lot of different altcoins. So for now I have some Bitcoin, which is 37% of my entire portfolio, $313 now. I have some Cardano, which is 36.86% of my entire portfolio and about $300. I have some Ethereum, just a little for now, $127. I have some Anchor, I'm just learning about this altcoin, and also some SushiSwap, just a little, $18 for now, and my total balance is about $800 for now. We will see what will happen soon. So guys, that's all for today. I'll keep you updated about this cryptocurrency portfolio. Don't forget to join me in my $1 million journey. Take care, stay safe, bye.